What's the meaning of categorical? Categorical. Categorical.
Categorical. Categorical. Categorical refers to something that is divided into specific, distinct categories or groups. It is a term commonly used in statistics and data analysis to describe data that can be grouped into finite sets or categories. Categorical data is qualitative rather than quantitative, meaning it cannot be measured numerically. Examples of categorical data include gender, race, and type of car. Understanding categorical data is crucial in identifying patterns and making informed decisions based on the characteristics of certain groups or categories.